Hello and welcome to itheeverse everyone. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I put videos every Thursday and I put all types of videos like cooking, entertainment, motivational. So you won't regret subscribing me obviously. So today is another episode of Cook with itheeverse because as I said on my Instagram stories, like you don't follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description and also the Instagram handle is over here. So go and follow me. So coming back to the point, as I mentioned in my Instagram stories that I literally don't get time to shoot any other content, and so today I'm cooking pizza and I got a lot of requests to share my pizza recipe. So here we go. So if you have watched my previous videos, you know the first step. So we are ready. So the first thing that we are going to do to start our recipe is to make the green chutney. So aajao. So these are the ingredients that we are going to need for our pizza. So first of all, we are going to need a pizza base obviously. Like you can also use gehu ka aata, that is wheat flour, and make a healthy pizza base, or you can just use some leftover rotis as your base also. And then we are going to need some veggies. Like I wanted corn, but as I came late from my office, I missed out on corn. Then we are going to need mayonnaise, pizza topping, some salted butter and cheese. That's some leftover cheese and new cheese cubes. Yeah. If you want your pizza to be a little spicy, I would recommend applying green chutney. I'm just going to do it with mirchi and dhania. And at last we need our oregano, that is snapping mixed herbs. So let's get started. We are just going to make a paste of all this. And we need a thick paste, not a runny paste. So I'll just show you the consistency that we want. So that's how we want our paste to be like. Just like that. Next thing we are going to do is to chop our veggies, and we are not going to finely chop it. Okay, so for bell peppers, I'll show you how you have to cut that. You don't have to take the like this part. You have to just take the green one. So just do this and clean it. So that's how it is going to look. You don't have to take the seeds also. Yeah, that's it. So that's how you are going to need your bell pepper to be like. Oh my god, it's like a heart shape. So my mom basically avoids this part of the onion, so I'm just going to remove it. So we are done with the chopping part. Now let's move on to the second step. So in a pan we are going to put some butter, some oil, and then just saute our vegetables. And some oil. So the first thing that is going to go in the pan is onion, obviously. So we are going to let the onion cook for just few minutes, like until nice golden brown. Okay, so that's it for the onions, and now we are going to put in our bell pepper, our shimla mirchi. Now just stir it a bit. Now let this also cook for some few minutes. So that's pretty much it. Now we are going to put our tomatoes in that. Give it a nice mix. And then add some salt, like swad anusar namak. And cover it with a lid and again let it cook for some few minutes, like 2 minutes maybe. So I'm putting that much of salt. अगर आपको कोई भी चीज़ अगर जल्दी पकानी है, लाइक कोई सब्जी हो गई या कुछ भी, तो उसमें थोड़ा सा नमक डाल के उसको लिड से कवर कर लीजिए, वो जल्दी पक जाएगा. That was the itheeverse नुस्खा for you. Whoa! So we are there. Our wedges are perfectly cooked. Now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce to it and some mixed herbs. So I'm using this pizza sauce, that is Dr. Oetker's Fun Food Pizza Toppings. So in we go. Give it a final mix and turn off the gas. So that's how our topping is going to look like. Like ये दिखने में ऐसा दिख रहा होगा, like weird kind of, but mind you, the taste is damn awesome. So we have kept our topping aside, and now comes the toughest part of making a pizza, that is grating cheese. We are just going to grate it. I literally don't like grating cheese, you know. I feel that is the toughest part. We are going to toast our pizza breads with some butter first. So now that the pan is nice hot, we are going to put some butter. And then take our pizza bread and roll it from both the sides. I mean, turn it from both the sides and toast it nicely. So basically this is a pan pizza, that's why you need to, you know, cook both the sides properly. So it's the time that we flip it now. It's been around 50 seconds and you can see the golden crust over here. और गैस हमें एकदम लो फ्लेम पे रखना है. So the first thing that we are going to apply on it is our green chutney. So this is obviously according to your स्वाद अनुसार. मैंने पर्पसली ऐसे थोड़े से फ्लेक्स रखे हैं इसमें ताकि वो स्पाइसी टेस्ट आए when we eat it. Then we are going to add mayonnaise to it. This is a veg mayonnaise by Dr. Oetker's Fun Foods. Then we are going to add our pizza sauce. And then spread it all over nicely.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. Because my time.
After that, we are going to add our veggies, the toppings.
So bright, it look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there?
आप टॉपिंग्स बिना फ्लेवर का भी बना सकते हो, लाइक विदाउट एडिंग द पिज़्ज़ा सॉस, बिकॉज आपको लगेगा इसमें भी पिज़्ज़ा सॉस, पिज़्ज़ा में भी पिज़्ज़ा सॉस. यू नो यू कैन जस्ट एडिंग पिज़्ज़ा सॉस टू योर वेजीज. And then last but not the least, we are going to add our grated cheese to it. Make sure you spread it evenly. And now we are going to cover this with a lid. and then wait for about a minute. So we are there with our pizza, our pan pizza. Now turn off the gas. Remove your pizza from your pan.
Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
That's absolutely delicious and loaded with flavors. So try this out and let me know how your pizza turned out to be. Also don't forget to leave a comment below of how you like this pizza. Don't forget to like and share this video because pizza is everyone's life. We will meet next Thursday. Until then, eat pizza and enjoy your life. See you.
Can I take you there?